Namaste, Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. I am Lakshma Muchandani in front of you presenting a new and informative topic. So first of all, want to tell you one thing, that be the part of the solution, not the part of the pollution. So in this sentence I am trying to explain you that do not be the part of pollution, be the part of solution means do not spread pollution and think that what is the solution to reduce the pollution. So our today's topic is so necessary for every people, and that topic is pollution. So now let's start. So our mother earth is so beautiful that I can't describe it, but in our this new generation many things are invented that harm it. So first of all, let's talk about our mother earth, that our mother earth is so beautiful. You all know our mother earth means our mother nature. It is so beautiful that I can't describe it. I am speechless. I am not having words to describe it. But in this our new generation, some things are invented means ijad. Some things are invented that harms it, that gives it damage. So the product of this is pollution. So now you all know that when something reacts with an other thing, so in last we will get product. So some inventions are giving damage to our mother earth. So the product of this process is known as pollution. So the pollution is the result of this thing. So it is caused by some vehicles and some factories which produce carbon emission, and pollution is caused by many things like some vehicles and some factories, because they produce carbon emission. Carbon emission is a gas. They produce carbon emission, and carbon emission is so harmful for our air. And there are 4 types of pollution which are caused by several ways, like air, water, land and noise pollution. So now let's talk about the types of pollution, that there are total 4 types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. And these 4 types of pollution are caused in different ways. Like air pollution is caused by some vehicles and factories, and water pollution is caused by us, by humans, and etc etc. So means there are several ways from which these 4 types of pollution are caused. So now first of all, let's learn that what is air pollution. It is caused by the spread of carbon emission which destroys our air and other gases in the atmosphere. So in our atmosphere there is air is a gas, and in air there are many more gases also. Air is a mixture of all gases. So there is a gas which is known as carbon emission, and that gas is so harmful for our air, and it destroys our air. So this is known as air pollution. So it also increases global warming, which is harmful for our atmosphere. And when carbon emission will increase, so obviously global warming will also increase, and global warming is also dangerous for our atmosphere. So it also destroys our ozone layer, which protects our earth from the ultraviolet rays of sun, and it also increases summer on earth. So now global warming is increasing day by day. So this will affect on our ozone layer. So now what is ozone layer? Our earth is having total 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. So in second layer, which is known as stratosphere, in second layer there is an other layer which is known as ozone layer, and the function of ozone layer is that to protect our earth from the dangerous and ultraviolet rays of sun. So global warming effects on our ozone layer, and when ozone layer will be fully destroyed, so our earth will face the ultraviolet rays of sun, which are so dangerous for our earth. And that is the only reason that day by day the summer is increasing on earth. So its solution is to invent hybrid, means electric car, which was tried by Elon Musk, and he invented Tesla, but people thought that its engine needs a lot of carbon emission. So now what is the solution to reduce the air pollution? So the solution to reduce it is to make hybrid cars. Hybrid cars are those cars which runs on electricity, and this idea was also tried by the first richest man of the world, Elon Musk, and they also succeeded in this idea. But after a few time, people had said that it is hybrid car and it runs on electricity, so its engine needs a lot of electricity, means a lot of carbon emission in its construction. So petrol engine cars are more better than hybrid cars because they need a lot of carbon emission, and they will produce a lot of carbon emission in their construction, so they are not good for our environment. So what they did, let's move further. So the car which is creating a lot of pollution into its construction is more harmful than petrol engine cars, I told you before. So the Elon Musk said to remove the electric engine and to place hydrogen engine in Tesla, and they are still working on this. So the car which they made, that car was known as Tesla. The name of that car was Tesla. So now that hybrid car is failed, they didn't succeed. So what Elon Musk did, Elon Musk had thought to remove the hybrid engine from that Tesla and to place hydrogen engine in that Tesla, and they are still working on this idea. So now let's move further. So our air pollution is done now, and now let's learn about water pollution. Water pollution is so simple that it is our mistake that we throw garbages and chemicals in rivers, lakes, ponds, and etc. So the solution is to of this is to throw garbages in their places, not on beautiful places. So water pollution is so simple. In water pollution, this is our mistake. Today when you will visit sea, the Arabian Sea, so you will see that the atmosphere over there is so festering. There are garbages on floor, and the place is so smelly. So that is our mistake. That is the example of water pollution and land pollution. So the solution of this is to throw garbages in dustbin, not on these beautiful places. That is simple. So now let's move on land pollution. Land pollution, it is also our mistake that we throw garbages on floor. Its solution is to throw garbage in dustbin. So this land pollution is also like water pollution. In land pollution, we throw garbages on floor, and it makes the place dirty. So we have to throw garbages in dustbin, and if you can't throw garbage in dustbin, or there is no any dustbin, and you are somewhere outside, so you have to put your wrapper or garbage in your pocket for few time, and when you will find dustbin, so you have to take it out and throw it in dustbin. Simple, but do not throw garbages on floor. That is the solution of land pollution. And now let's move on. Noise pollution. This is also our mistake that we create very loud sound in our societies, which destroys the decorum of our society. So now imagine that beside your home there is a home, and there are living your neighbors, and in their home one man is sick, one old man is sick, and in your own house you are playing DJ with a loud noise. So how the old man, which is your neighbor, will feel? He will feel like, means the people beside him are uneducated. He will feel like this. So this is noise pollution. Noise pollution means to harm someone by the help of noise. So its solution is to hear the noise in limited voice. In high voice, I don't know that if someone is disturbed. So I am not saying that do not listen DJs or do not listen musics. Listen, but in limited volume. Do not disturb others. So I hope that you had liked this video, and I am telling you that the rules, the solutions which I told you in this video, you have to follow these things. Do not study these things, learn these things. So I hope that you had liked this video. If you liked this video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to watch my more videos, so press the bell icon also. So stay home, stay safe.